Hey, I just made a deposit of $20. Let's go look for signal. I'll be right back. Okay, just got a signal and enter the trade. Let's see how fast it will pull up. I may have to pause. Once it's done, I'll be right back. Okay, so that it's not every time the signal pulls through. This is a lost trade. I credited the account with $20 and this is a lost trade. Boom. So what do? I get to do another trade. Hey, do you lose? Yes, I do lose. But you see, the plan is to always make more profits than losses. All right. Okay. Uh, After a first trial trade and I lost, now I'm depositing $25 to start a new trade. So let's go look for signal. Okay. Just enter my first trade. Let's see how fast that will be. I may have to pause if this is taking long. I may have to pause when it's done. I'll be back. Okay, the first trade has pulled through. I'm trying to do another trade. The first trade just pulled through, so I'm trying to do second trade. Let's see how fast this will pull through. Okay, this has already pulled through, so now I have $40. I started with 25, so I'm still gonna do more trades, so I'll be right back. Okay, I just place another trade. Let's see how fast it pulls up. I may have to pause if it's taking long. Okay, trade has pulled through. Uh, Now I have $51. I had a trade before where I started with $20. Lost the $20, so I deposited 25, and now I've made 100%. So I'm in profit of like $5, right? So I'm still gonna grow this profit and I'm going to grow it more. I'll be right back. Okay, I've entered another trade. Let's see how fast this will pull out. I may have to pause and I'll be right back. Okay, trade already pulled through. Now my balance is $61. Remember that I traded, I deposited $25. So far I have made like $35. That means I'm in like $15 profit. This is how you get to do it slow and steady and you grow it up. Okay, another trade on the move. Let's see. I may have to pause. I don't want this video to be too long, but it should have pulled through by now. Okay, it has already pulled through. So that's another trade. So now I'm at $75. You may be wondering that you are just seeing me entering trades. Every time I say I want to go and get signal, there is a training that is required, knowing when the market is moving in a particular direction. That is what my training offers you. When you know that you will be able to grow. Now, it's important you know and you learn that it's not all the time that you will be right. Yes, it's not all the time. So there must be room for losses. That's why you see me. I made a deposit of like $20 at first. My first trade, I lost it, and I did not give up. I continued trading. I deposited $25. Now I have already made was it $25, $30? I don't even I think it was $25 I deposited. Now $25 from that means I have deposited in total $45, but so far now I have like $30 profits. Yeah, anybody can do this. And this is how I grow the accounts bit by bit to make like $100, 200, slow and steady. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.